Limited liability company, the Institute of Mining, Electrical Engineering and Automation, is an engineering company which has a significant experience on different projects. Institute carries out complex turnkey projects, scientific research and design works in mining and chemical industries, design objects of different complexity, develops technical solutions on change and modernization of equipment, carries out mounting and startup of technical devices which are being used on dangerous industrial objects, manufactures and services mining electrical equipment, control apparatus, also in explosive-proof performance. The most actual competence of the Institute of Mining, Electrical Engineering and Automation is the execution of works on 10K modernization, windows, main ventilation installation and main mining conveyors. During last years, our company increased efficiency of the most energy-intensive objects of Belaruskali. We understand how modern manufacture looks like and know the best way to make it effective. One of the main purposes of work of potash mining enterprise is the increase of production volumes of minerals due to operation excellence at a synchronous cost reduction. Becomes actual the purpose of mining works planning and ore transportation by mining conveyors for the provision of ore optimal quality, continuous conveyors loading and equal ore entry to the shaft at a general cost reduction for transportation, accumulation of ore on conveyors, start of the conveyor transport from the loading place. For the solution of problems to solve, Institute of Mining, Electrical Engineering and Automation developed simulation design model of ore transportation by shaft conveyors as program realization in the view of software system freight traffic, which allows to optimize the extraction process. Software system includes the model of extraction processes by combined complexes and ore transportation with the help of conveyors of underground part of potash shafts. Suggested model was tested on transport conveyor system on the said production unit Belaruskali Joint Stock Company. Operating nowadays control and software system on shaft conveyor transport are simplified and display only part of target aspects. Ore quality composition is not counted, impossibility of conveyor speed and energy consumption control, and there is no possibility to optimize these parameters. Solution for this problem is the incorporation of the new direction in the development of ore transportation with the usage of frequency drive of the complex of microprocessor control of conveyor transport and usage of object-oriented software system with simulation model of ore extraction and transportation in the shaft. Software system controls readiness for the start-up of each conveyor and mining equipment. When the signal about the readiness for the operation of mining equipment came, software system forms the signal about startup of the direct conveyor. Speed of the panel conveyor afterward is being formed and allowing signal about startup of mining equipment. Monitoring of startup and stop of mining and share recombines, state of shuttle cars unloading, unit software system inputs changes into the model of ore movement and gives the signal of speed change to the central controller of the complex of microprocessor control of conveyor transport and frequency converter of electrical drive. Frequency converter station is of the Institute of Mining, Electrical Engineering and Automation manufacture. Software system gives operator possibility visually detect ore movement and volume from every direction is being formed electrical energy flow density of the underground complex per the unit of mined ore. Installed on panel and main conveyor optical conveyor scales continually transferred information about line load, movement speed and conveyor productivity. Analyzing data from optical conveyor scales, software system forms the model of ore movements, set movement speed of all the conveyor in the chain, which allows to make a forecast load of skip bunker and display accumulating capacity of conveyor transport in the real-time mode. Analyzing sync data, software system according their developed algorithm input changes into the ore movement model and transfer signal about speed changes in the movement of conveyor transport on separate direction for the optimal ore quality on the main conveyors. In software system is being realized the process of startup of the conveyor from the place of loading, which provides efficient conveyor transport resource usage, increase of operating time of mining complex, consumption reduction for the electrical energy thanks for the reduction of time of drives light running in comparison with traditional conveyor startup from the bunker, and reduction conveyor belt movement speed, and also reduction of changes for the conveyor operation. In software is realized the algorithm of ore accumulation on conveyor transport in real-time mode, which allows to increase window operating time and its productivity. So, incorporation and usage of object-oriented software system with simulated model of ore extraction in the shaft allows to embrace in general all the possible factors of influence on conveyor transport and makes the influence for the mineral delivery plannable.